Good morning, everybody. Good morning, traders. So welcome to another episode of Bookmap. This is Jay. So we have elections. We know that Trump probably is going to be the next president. We have some stocks going on, DJT, Tesla. So they were very volatile. Hope they had a good yesterday after hours because the market really started pushing strong, also the pre-market, and then we had some fail on DJT and Tesla. I'm watching NQ to see the direction. I'm watching ARB, a small cap, and also I'm watching at Sun. So first of all, traders, read the disclaimer. Remember, the session that we have with Bookmap are for educational purpose only. So these are not investment advice. Okay, having said this, let me know if you can see good the screen. So we're gonna start looking for some trades. We had this morning, as we were saying, some first very early big push over here on DJT, grinded and then faded from 8 o'clock. Same time started to fail over here also Tesla. NQ a little bit uptrending. ARB, a small cap that extended. Daily level 590, $596. We had the top of here 581. And you can see this, there we go, 753 burst in this volume. So this is the highest volume of the day. And then from there, all the way down, okay? So now we're watching actually SON, S-O-N, is a stock that is extending this morning. So it came over here from $4 until the $12. We have a key level traders at $12 and more over here into the 14s. So we're gonna keep also a level over here at $12. So we have two major levels, okay? Anybody in SON this morning interested in SON? I know that bars were a little bit expensive. Let me know if you were trading this. You know what I will do? Name this small account. I'll do this. Otherwise, I'm gonna trade.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm really interested in looking today how the market will open, especially DJT and Tesla will be the stocks that I'm gonna have in play. Secondary will be small caps today. You know, we're gonna do something a little bit different. So SON is gonna be interesting for gap and crap, pop and fill 12 or 15 over here short. Target is going to be $8. And also ARB for a gap and crap. You know, ARB is a stock we trade a lot of times and it likes to extend, it likes to pop at the gate, it likes to push. Okay, so we're going to keep those on their watch. What else we have? We have DOTS, which is over here. It's a big push over here pre-market. Okay. You can see 4 o'clock came all the way down and then back to this daily level around 420, 430. I saw some traders trading very good. One was Matt. He took a beautiful parabolic short over here. Very, very good. Covering to the dips, recycle over here, up here around 430. I would like that he shares his chart because it was very, very well made. And for me today, DOTS would be very nice if we can have a pop 370 or 420, so trading like a gap and crap in these two key areas and looking for an unwind to 265. Anybody on ARB this morning, traders? Anybody on this? Okay, okay. Let me know also if you can hear me good. Okay. All right, so we have that's, I'm gonna put it here, that's gap and crap, 380. So look at my levels, or 420 short. okay? So 384.20 short. Sun, it's very volatile. Sun can push fast, so you have to be a little bit careful with this, okay? We have looked over here on Jtrader Sun. So I'm gonna put over here Sun, and Sun has over here bet financials, had also warrants at 1240s, has dilution, S1 on, multiple, 5 million float, and the volume traded this morning on Sun is 4 million. The news is announced issuance of US patent for immunotherapeutic, right?
Therapeutic, yeah.
Drug candidate, okay? So what I'm looking over here, ideally, as I said, is a high of day fake out or 15s, okay? Would love to see that. Could be a good play for the whole team. Yeah, exactly. What William is saying is always, you know, when it's referring to cancer, it's always an important matter. Exactly. Let's look over here, the tape. You can see that we have some resistance in this area around 12. And then we're gonna look into Tesla. Level, arrow. Over here we have Tesla instead. So, as you know, Elon is a supporter of Trump. So all the stocks, there are like, I would say, sympathy, okay, of DJT in this sense, right? Really, there's a politics, views, reason over here. Then they're gonna move a little bit like DJT. So they're gonna take, you know, a reason for to push. And Tesla over here really had a big momentum this morning. And I made a back test of the last 3 years. Okay, so I look at all the last 3 years, and I was with JTrader. And you know, this is the app that we developed over here. So I can show you what we did. I went over here and I put the last 3 years, I put 10% gap because today Tesla was at a certain point 10%, then it went 13, 14, and now it's around 12. And then I put in during the day that we have traded at least 10 million. But over here, actually, it's more correct to put pre-market volume. Day one pre-market volume, okay? So we're gonna put this. In the volume, I believe that in Tesla right now, is around 18 million. So we're gonna put over here at least 10 million volume. And I wanna look at the stats that this company had, you know, on gap up days. So on gap up days above 10%, it tells me that we had 3 times the stock closing green on the day with an average extension. So from the open, okay, it extended to a maximum average point of 4.5%. So certain days maybe when 370, certain days when maybe like 520, but you know, that's the average. The average half day was 1235. So we have, you know, the first 2-3 hours of the stock can run. Maybe it makes a dip at the gate this morning, but then it can run. So my main point this morning is to look for a potential long on Tesla. Okay, so I'm looking at that play traders. Okay, so I'm looking for Tesla buy stats on gap up days, 10% with 10 million volume pre-market traded. Last 3 years, we had 3 gaps, 100% close green with average extension 4.5%. Okay. Also, if you're interested over here, I can give you like a coupon code JTrader25 is the first month. Okay, so it's all capital. Put JTrader25. You have a coupon code for this. Now, what I'm looking also in Tesla, because maybe we have a plan to go long, and maybe this will simply dump. You know, maybe the market come down, everything fails, so we don't have to have bias We can have like, an idea of what we're going to trade, but we don't have to have bias. So in case that happens, okay, then I'm looking for this area over here, 284.50, 285, pop in, fill short. What does it mean, pop in, fill short? So essentially I want to see a push into the VWAP at or above, and then a fill, okay? So one thing is we push back up, we start consolidating, maybe like, a couple of minutes, we start like making a cup pattern, consolidation. We have essentially maybe like refilling, absorption on the Bookmap on support, good demand, and then we can trade long there for a push to 290. That will be, my favorite long play. But it can also be that this pops at the gate, right away stuffs, and then dumps. Now, if it's a small dump, it's going to be considered a scalp, but if this can dump all the way down, then we can even look for 266, which is also the 200 on the 5. For example, yesterday we had the buy dip from there, okay? So that is basically what the stats are telling me. And remember, there's always, that the day the stats don't work, okay? So always do your plan, okay, team? Anybody on Tesla this morning? So Paul is on Tesla, of course, I would say, of course. Dario is on Tesla. Oh, Dario, not on small caps today. Because Tesla has range, guys. I mean, like, Tesla has a lot of range. It's a beauty when it moves, right? It's a beauty. So that's my plan. And then I would say that the majority of the traders will be on blockchain companies, I think it was Bitcoin 74 plus, right? So they will be on Mara, on all of these. But I would personally prefer to trade over here, DJT. Now, we don't have enough time to look at all the levels of DJT because I should show you the previous hourly charts. So the previous day, what it did, support, resistance, and so on. But DJT now is driven by news, okay? This morning, all the way up, all the way down. If over here we have traders like a pop and fill this morning, okay? So essentially, if this stock is gonna simply touch the J lines over here and fail, I'm not gonna touch it. When I'm gonna start looking for this stock, only if the price starts getting above the VWAP, we have a consolidation, and then I'm looking to long into a more or less a cut pattern like this. I want to see Bookmap, I want to see buyers coming in, I want to see 90-minute crossing the VWAP. Yesterday we made the webinar with first with the mentoring traders and then with the team in the room. I think it was 2 hours. I think we had 2 hours from 5 till 7 my time, so like 11 to like 1 p.m. But it was good, and I like traders that they actually see the stuff. And we went over the major strategies the market is giving. So that will be my long play. The other long play, which is a little bit more advanced, is you see this support over here, okay? The support is the pre-market low. So market fails, reclaims, so I have a close above the pre-market low. This close generally for me is a 5-minute chart bar, 5-minute candle. Okay, so when I close above this, if I have a close and the next bar dips and push, then it's my long. Remember, sometimes the wash can be even super fast and can do like this. In that case, I will take like momentum trade. So I'm not really gonna focus on too many things at the gate. Arab, Son, DJT, and Tesla. I mean, I'm gonna stay like with this. So DATS will be secondary for me. Son, interesting, but I would prefer ARB. In my opinion, it's like a little bit like better to trade. It's more, I would say, my pace, a little bit slower, how it moves. Son is $11 stock. Seems really like an nano-float how it moves. Okay, so this can go really up and down very fast. What I will love is a pop this morning, 12s, 12 20s, and boom, dump over here. We have a starter position in the 12s, 1150 12s. So we're looking for that. If we have a push over here around 1245 or 13, we're gonna cut it. We're gonna see if we have a stuff 1250, 13 or 15 daily level up here, and then short. I put over here Tesla, so you can see that we have Tesla, and I'm gonna put over here this supply area, right? You can do the same with the demand area, right? So when we have over here 279 and 70s, it's a pretty good level, and then we have over here 267s. NQ is very choppy for the morning, so I'm not really looking, you know, to have any kind of QQQ play at the gate, okay? This AT, we have it over here, and I also have Bookmap ready in case we need to use it. All right, team, any questions? Buddy, any questions? You're okay with the plan? Okay, look over here, Tesla, this is just like washing over here, like 1 point. With just like boom, washed. So it seems like pretty weak, right? This pre-market. It's holding still this 280, but it's like we want to flush the gate. We want to wash the gate. Grande Dario. So for me, Tesla can be washed at the gate to support. So let's watch. Sorry. So se facciamo quello, dopo possiamo fare un po' di più qui.
Yeah.
Ah. Mei coglioni. This is... Ah, yeah. Yeah.
It's near, huh?
Sì. Let's see over here. I look at Son as sick over here price. So Tesla, it's looking much better. Di quell'altro, questo è il Tesla. Però sono ancora in posizione di quello lì, quindi... Alright, on the resistance, $4 over here. So I'm curling back up again. So this is doing the same thing over here all morning. All morning sun is dipping, trying to push. And careful because it can squeeze. So I'm pushing. se viene quello. Still have like 11 minutes to the gate. Arab is a gap and crap, so I'm looking actually for a pop into the VWAP or golden zone to short. È giusto farlo, questo è il rischio. Remember, trades are there, take them. Okay, no hesitation, take them. Doesn't work, right away stop, here enter, boom. Super fast. So Tesla for now, traders, we have to really to wait the gate. So let's wait that we're gonna have a nice setup over here. So I'm gonna try to put this over here. So if I have Tesla, I'm gonna grab it with you. Here, Tesla. Okay, so we have this resistance. And this support. Okay. Nine minutes to go. So let's go back over here 1 second on Arab. I know that a lot of you are trading this. So Arab has this daily level at $4. Okay. So yeah, while we're looking over here, traders at $4. So pop. So I'm looking for a pop J lines. If you have like a legitimate over here, like heat map, we can short it. For now, I see that more, we have a supply around 450. So it's going to be the level of VWAP and the level of here 430. Okay. So it's more like this area over here. If I have that area on Arab, it's a good short for me. I don't really believe an extension till 520, but you know, you never know. So we always have to be careful. Trader, be right back, 2 minutes, and then we'll start with the trading. Let's see, also we have something new, Frey. That's what interested. For me, it's gonna be Tesla mostly over here, the gate. But do you mind if I put this up there?
No, it's good.
It's good? Okay. So I'm gonna do this. Okay?
Yeah.
Three times this is about like this. Three times.
Yeah.
3 times. You know what? This time I'm gonna take it. So at least I'm gonna it's 3 times I am like plus that. So I'm gonna take at least a shit. So sun over here, let's see, a little bit of fail. So what is your plan on Tesla? Okay, for me is, again, I'm gonna repeat it. Or 280, fake breakdown long, okay? Or 284, 50, 285, pop and fill short. Or a break of 285, consolidation long play. Got it? Let me know if it's clear, traders. Yeah, somebody we spoke about warrants, 1240, S1 multiples, blah, blah, blah. Adesso non mi interessa più questo.
It's very great.
Sì, e voglio questo qui in modo più semplice. Yeah, wait, buddy, wait. Let's wait Tesla. Not gonna trade it before the gate. No, perché questo devo fare solo con solo con quest'altro. Di qua è Tesla. That's it. Quindi questo è per Tesla, questo è per Son. Three minutes to go. Sun, some dilution over here. Vediamo se c'è un pop. Also push over here on DJT, you see? DJT is giving the same push. Let's also look if dots will extend. SON to the 1 minute J lines. 90 seconds to go. Major J slim traders on SON. Forty seconds to go. Five seconds. Tell me if someone pushes, and tell me if they say something more in the room. Short of here, Tesla. Out. Reshort it again. Full size. So covering to dip Tesla. The ticket.
Yeah, but
Beautiful.
No, I'm not in anymore. The chart was lagging.
Okay, look, you in mine. I had a better feel. Had a better feel. So watching over here, Tesla. So we had a pop and fail. I got short 284.50 and covering to 282s. Careful because I see some lagging. SON all the way down. Visto adesso non c'è più niente che fare. Smoke sono andati tutto il giorno. Quindi o le fai in pre-market o sei fottuto. Big dilution on SON traders and halted over here. Watching Tesla. Watching Tesla for a long. Took Tesla long. Selling Tesla. Big one. Took the dip and pushed. So I'm long on Tesla. Target 290. Add a little bit more. Took another scalp long on Tesla. Here, 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 here. So only this I had bad fills, but all that worked pretty good. So I'm still long Tesla traders, looking for 290. Tesla beautiful on the over. You can see the system. 290 is the target. So I'm sharing over here my chart. So over here I got short, right away stop, re-shorted, added, covering to the lows. Over here I got right away long, stopped out. Then I longed over here, sold partial, long over here, sold partial. Now I want to hold this for 290. Got it? So first part over here, short. Let's say first bar short, then third bar long only on under over high volume gap up and statistics. Got it? Ti volevo solo dire che qua mi è venuto we have some that look over here even before I work it came to the level or the blue, ok? È vero che questo qui può andare via, però l'arrow, e se faccio i piccoli scalp l'arrow mi può andare bene, e poi delle volte la conferma questo qui, e quando c'è questo qui sul one often, adesso va, often is a killer.
Yeah.
Bravo. Bravissimo. What is that? Stop break even?
Yes.
No. Move it over here. No. You give back too much. Move it. There. A little bit low, little bit lower. There. Perfect. This is what I want to see.
This is the 5, this is the 9.
It's good, bud. It's good. It's good. I want to hit and run over here. It's the open. And we have a big daily level at 290. Remember before this morning. So we have a big daily level over here, 290. Market is rejecting. And now it's holding over here the 90 MA. Ideally, remember, VWAP, Bookmap, we're long again. Anybody on Tesla? Tello is killing it. Very good, bro. That's the way you trade it.
Bravo.
So this time worked, huh? Okay, now focus. No P&L, only look at the chart.
No, this is the
So I'm not longing over here 90 MA. Why? Personally, the 290 resistance is tough. It's very, very tough. So let's see the next bar, what it's going to do. I'm not long yet on this dip. Some traders, we said $8, 1 minute J lines. Hope you took it. But we traded this pre-market.
Some 10-minute hold.
Don't short it. perché l'ho dato via tutto prima, devo tenerlo e adesso ero tutto in guadagno. So a little bit of selling pressure. Traders, follow over here, please, the tape, okay? Cannot answer the questions, anything over here. We're looking at Tesla to re-enter a trade. And look for the last partial on Son, if we can get 8 or 7. Tesla 90 MA again. DJT, major FFT. Wow, brutal. Nice FFT. See, nice fake out. Bang. Love it. Okay, let's look over here. Tesla. So Tesla, the only way I would short is if we have a fake out 290. So Tesla, only fake out 290 to short. Open on Sun right now, 828. Cover a main par, so big support. J lines, Sun, cover half, 8. Tesla, no long for me yet on these dips. Wait, buddy, no long over here.
Sorry.
Very good before the management, yes. But then we have to consider it came back down too much. We're almost open level. So we have to be super pinpointing that entry if we have VWAP and J-lines. Or VWAP and Bookmap, okay? So just traders over here, a lot of patience. It's really in the mid-range over here, Tesla, between the open level and that pre-market high. So I'm not actually looking to trade over here, okay? Why? Over here, big supply, big demand in the middle. So it can come up, stuff, and can come down, waiting. You see how they're like on the over. There's 288. Oh, look over here, traders. What they're doing, right? They're selling, but it looks like a descending wedge. So it can even happen that or drops over here all the way down to the VWAP, 285.70, or fakes the breakdown, push 290s. So if it fakes the breakdown, I'm long. Got it? Only if it fakes the washout, I'm long. If it fakes the 287 fail and pushes, I'm long. Otherwise, This is a dump. Got it? Come on, Tesla, do something. Okay, washes. Only washes for now. Nah, weak. No, no longer. Washes over here. Piece of shit. Sorry. The unwinding and big selling pressure. Yeah, Bookmap told me to say it like this.
Get this delicate.
Daily level to 85 and 70. And VWAP. No long. Wait. Even if it's reclaimed to 87, could be pushing the 90 MA, rejection 90 MA. So let's stay a little bit conservative. Oh, come on.
It's done.
Now we have to dump.
Look at that.
There we go. I bought the dip and sold it. So look, he's sbagliati. So I bought the dip and sold it over here. Risk and now break even. Why the dip? Dip perfectly into the J lines. You see when I tell you, buy me the dip? Exactly. Exactly. Perfect. It's good. The first is anticipation there.
This was the reward dip.
Okay, no. Didn't do anything for the bounce. Look. Bounce, push out. Okay, super quick. It can still give us a long, eh? Stay there. Fingers up here. Son traders, I don't want to say anything bad, but it's written son of A, and then you can put like dots, dots, dots.
Inside bars, finishing 3 seconds.
Revert Slim, you thinking about that?
Mm-hmm.
Haha, my boy. CTKB. CTKB. We need to see CTKB. 58 institutional ownership, and they level at 7, 8, and possibly 10. But let's stay over here with Tesla. One at a time, one at a time, one at a time. I'm not longing over here Tesla. I'm not shorting over here Tesla. Or you bought a dip and held, but we got to break even, so I had to get out break even. Or you simply wait. Quello easy, easy fatto così. E non andavo bene at keys, eh? Non andavo bene at keys. Devo mettere a posto perché ho rischiato. Vedi quello? Vedi quello?
Yeah.
È morto. Guarda adesso.
Yeah.
Questo, morto. Questo, morto.
Yeah.
So if you look traders at Son,
Yeah.
that's Arab, one thing they did, gap and crap. So Son simply died. Arab over here just few minutes before the open, J-line rejection. And then that's same exact thing, pop in, fail. Maybe this was the best one. You can see over there, 930. That's no long on Tesla, okay? Patience. And when you trade, traders have full size conviction, okay? They're dumping. So where are we gonna go? To the previous support, 281.
Very helpful.
Yeah, Bookmap in this case is so helpful because we could see 290 resistance up here with the supply here. You see it? This and this is also is a daily level, this 290. And then look all the sellers that we start like having. This is amazing. Okay, so it basically confirms your thesis over here that the tape is heavy and they're dumping. Okay, so we have over here what we call a confluence of key daily level together with a double top, right? And a big over here supply area. Make sense? Beautiful work over here by my buddy Neem. This is on AMD, so taking the perfect FFT. Amazing, brother. Very, very nice. Check always there, buddy. Let's see, that's over here, guys. I would stay with 250, but even lower. There's no volume over here on the buy side. Arab, again, stay for the 315 target. This is a very big unwind over here. We had the VWAP rejection, trendline break, and J-line rejection. The three main, and also golden zone rejection. We had also another one over here. This didn't work, but all those were pretty good. Anything there, buddy?
No.
Okay. So you see before, this is only because he got me shit fills.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it was a very, very good day because I'd have taken all this short. So over here we have Arab. Okay, so we have all the setups here to short. Boom, target. Okay, VST. Illiquid, careful on this. Devo mangiare qualcosa perché ho molta fame. Mi sento un po' giù. Mi fai... Sì, mi fai quel chicken?
Con gli spaghi?
Sì.
Metto proprio olio.
Cocaine.
Esatto.
Sì. Tesla, big unwind over here. Don't try to long it. We have a support at 278 and 70. Well done, Cabo. 278 and 70. And Q, nice reversal bar over here. So essentially, Tesla and Q did exactly the same thing.
Now we are back in the range, right?
Yeah. So here now we're in the range. In the range, what it means, we're gonna trade only the extremes. So or a dip into this 278s and long from there, or avoid, because otherwise there's no like A plus. This 280 is a major support pre-market, all right, but personally I'm waiting over here. 1 second. Oh, that's my body on a gap and crap. This is a gap and crap. This is a gap and grab. Amazing. Florian is trying to play the big game where traders don't get covers. Yes, Son is halted, guys. Let's see, Nvidia. Inside bar, but I don't like that. Also, I want to follow the market.
Are we coming down to the low?
You see all these pops into an enemy. You can actually scalp them. Okay, but remember, you have to respect then the risk because these are scalps. Now we have this previous low. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see an NQ. I took a long over here on the dip to 79s on Tesla. Small long. Watching how NQ reacts. Son over here, 775. Scratch trade on that previous low on Tesla. What's that together with NQ? Let me see. Don't overtrade now, right?
No.
Only if you have a reversal bar on the 1 minute. Only if we have that. That is still weak over here. Watching over here, traders, that we reclaimed the previous low. You can see NQ is starting to push, looking for a Tesla possible long position. Not yet, still below that 90 MA. So Tesla's not doing what I want. NQ instead is pushing, so different over here, price action. Wait. We have a new bar over here forming. Is dipping. Let's see if the curls is going to be a long play. You see that it pop and fail. So the bar is popping and fail. You can see over here we need to clear the 280 for the push. I'm ready to take a long on Tesla and risking that 278. It's not doing what I want, so I'm waiting over here. So look at traders over here, the price action that we have on Tesla. So it's below the 90 MA. I need to see that curl over here to take this long. Okay, so actually waiting. Sun faded, maybe a pop to the 1 minute J-lines for a short play. DJT fade all the way down. I'm gonna put also Arab up. Arab main target hit. Still not a long. Yeah, good to remain without a trade over here. Good. So no, just into 90 MA, no, because you have to wait in the case for the cut and to see that they establish volume above. A little bit of bounce over here on Sun. Maybe you can have a push.
What's wrong?
So still over here, traders, watching the tape on Tesla. There's no long play over here for me, low risk. Especially I would like to see for a long the market pushing. Market is not really following over here and starting to bounce. So we need to be always aware, okay, that in order to long the Tesla, Nvidia, we have to have the market pushing. Then a trader was asking me over here, because these were the setup that we had this morning for the short side, what confirmation do we have for gap and crab? Okay, explain this. Nice work, Felicia, on that. Watching over here now, sun pushing. So coming over here to the VWAP. Tesla, no play over here. Still sideways. Let's see if Son is going to give us another short play over here. So we can see over here instead Tesla, all right, pushing over here on a curl with this break. Over here you can see the curl play, right? And because NQ is pushing. Let's see Sun over here. So I'm making a J Slim. Short on Sun over here, 875. Risking the relative high here. TP is going to be 650. Of course. Want to see a drop over here in Sun all the way down. There we go. Beautiful wash on Sun. Hope you liked it. So you can see over here the recycle, the covers, okay? Basically J Slim. We have the big heat map over here at $9. So showing right away when we have that fail, okay? So traders, remember we're still trading over here, so keep the room for the signals. Sun over here for me is a fail all the way down. And I will be looking for 550. Check this theme. So the line of J lines, you can see over here, this 283. We got this 283 rejection a little bit. I wouldn't trade right now in the middle of here the range Tesla because we are in a range. So when you're in a range, you only trade extremes, okay? It's different than trading, for example, something like Sun that is unwinding, so you trade the direction. Our main target, that's okay. DATS is okay. I mean, we have the target is there. What I'd be looking over here now is just like waiting, or we see a major breakdown to 78 and then a rejection short during the day, or waiting for a nice push. Let's see DJT. Again, ELWS. Again, the stock. mangia.
Carino. Che ci sarà?
So very good trade, guys, on Son. I was just to hold it. Puoi dare tutto c'è questo.
L'ultima sì.
Anyone took it? What happened?
Amazon is nice Jtraderco on Amazon.
Wow. What a push.
Yeah, here it's this little inside bar.
That's sweet. Let's see ARBB. Personally, I would stay with the golden zone high. So, update. What do we had this morning? Tesla open, pop and fail with J lines and Bookmap. Tesla long on under over with J lines and Bookmap. Okay. Son, we had a 2 J line rejection with Bookmap and tape. And also we had faders, gap and crap with our dots, and these were on our plan. So basically the same setup we trade since 2016, 2017. Nothing changed. Same exact pattern. So study the rules, study the lessons on website, learn tape, learn order flow, learn also, I would say, the price action, which is very important. All right. And I think traders from the 2 to the 6th of December. So I'm saying this for Bookmap traders. We're gonna have a seminar here in Italy, live trading course. There will be few seats available. We already have a plan of what it will be. So gonna be like 5 days trading, 3 days like we're also gonna trade pre-market, bull and small caps, large caps. So reach out to team at Jtraderco. Okay, I'm saying this for members on Bookmap who don't know about this. So from the 2 to the 6th of December. I'm gonna put the information over here in my Discord. You did a good trade today, buddy.
Thank you.
That's good.
You good trade. You are Alex, right?
For me, the open is always the most difficult.
Because it's
time,
fast.
Because you never know, okay, which side.
Oh, it's not
After you have
yeah.
4 or 5 bars, you have a little bit more.
Yeah. You never know the first
Idea.
bar, but you are
Yeah.
reactive.
Yeah.
You're not there like sleeping, you're reactive, so in and out, boom.
Mm-hmm.
Right, Mom?
Oh yeah, just cut. Gotta be ready.
So Amazon is pushing harder.
Let's see Amazon.
Amazon is pushing hard.
Amazon is pushing much more than yes.
Gap up out of previous day range.
Wow. This is
It's brutal.
look at it right now. Do we have any news? I didn't check on Jtrade.
Meta is super weak. And Microsoft is grinding slowly, and Nvidia has also some trend.
Let's see traders on Amazon what we have, if there was any news over here. Driven by AWS, it is too late to buy. Meta's performance solidifies technical plan path to 625 million. No, $605, sorry. Road to $1 trillion. So we have like some news over here, some newsletters. Boost AI. Thanks, William. Something like this, traders, is yeah, it's a gap up, but I didn't have enough plan because my main focus this morning is Tesla and Nvidia, or DJT also. So no, buddy, I'm not trading inside the range over here on Tesla. For me, Tesla is to trade only outside of this range. So I'm talking about below 277 or above 290, or trading the extremes, okay? So what I'm looking over here now, we can move this. We can actually put this 277 here. And we can put another one up here. I want to be trading only this extreme, bro. Only this extreme. We have over here also Bookmap that confirms those levels. Because you can see over here 277s, some demand, a good demand. And then also at 290, there was all morning pretty high liquidity, 290 over here. So these two levels over here, all right? So if, for example, we will start fading today, say like this, we retest this support, then here, exactly here, that's my short, okay? And then I'm looking for this. But to have this, the market should really unwind. Shouldn't be lateral, should really unwind. And we also have to consider we have a 272, 273 over here support from the 28th of October. All right. So we're gonna move this over here. So this is gonna be my plan in this case. Sun is doing the Sun of a. Let's look at Sun again, traders. Per avere better timing, capito?
Ma all'apertura questo dici?
No, quello era tutto pre-market, non c'è stato niente all'apertura, è solo.
Con la prima. Allora va bene quello. Comunque conferma. Se c'è da qui.
Vedi come questo?
Sì.
SGBX, I'm waiting for 160. Okay, SGBX waiting for 160 to trade. I'm looking to load on a play like that. Magari dopo quando abbiamo finito tutto riguardiamo le cose. Alla fine ho perso 100 più commissioni di quello lì, l'altro è andato molto bene. Quest'altro, quello lì dove abbiamo fatto le prove, dai, così. So I'm testing a few things over here. VWAP on Son coming. Shorter on Son 880. Risk in over here, in this case 9. TP $8. Oh, I took all these secondary gap and crabs. No, it didn't feel me. It didn't feel me. It didn't feel me, guys. So I'm waiting. I wanted that 880. Nice pattern over here. See it, Jason. Buy. 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 SGX. Hey. Ti ricordi qua?
Però non vedo niente ancora di entrata. Se invece quello poi deve confermare.
Perché qui avrebbe dato la distanza 162. Ma anche qua sul match.
Yeah, sì, sì.
162. Guarda il one lì.
8 secondi.
I'm short 158 on SGBX, risking 165. It's the same method that I'm trying here, so the size is not what I want. SGBX. What will be, buddy, the target? Yeah, I'm not alerting over here. I'm short on this stock. And you can see I'm short over here. okay? And what is gonna be the target? Is a question, Lucas, or you give me for granted that with VWAP? Who told you that, buddy? Did you see it that in Cosmopolitan edition of July 2024?
He's funny.
Apply statistics. Apply statistics. On this displays at key levels. No, it doesn't work, can't remember, buddy. Go study again. Doesn't exist, can't remember. All right, team. So for who is over here with Bookmap, I'm glad that you watched over here our daily session. So we got over here Tesla long and short, some good small caps, some from the pre-market. So we started very early on that. If you want to join the room, JTrader.co. I want to see you in Italy between the 2 and the 6th. Reach out to team@JTrader.co. 2-6 of December. We're going to have over here like a 5 days seminar. Okay. Thank you very much. See you back next week and good luck for your trading.